Hello guys, welcome back to another video about the Outlander PHEV. Actually, today I'm doing something a little bit different. It's not so much about the car itself or any charging accessories, infrastructure or any problems with the car. I had several requests to show my video and photo equipment, what I have and what I use in the car. No. This is Andy from Unplugged TV Australia. And I'm not doing any crappy product reviews on cameras. This will be a short video. So first of all, my big camera is the Canon . First of all, this is my big camera. That's how big it is. This is the Canon G7X Mark II. It has a 3-inch flip-up display, and this button can do a lot of tricks. The camera itself makes fantastic photos, but I mainly use it for filming. It has a 20 megapixel sensor, full HD, 1080p, stereo, 4.2mm, 4.2 times optical zoom. Price is about 799 Australian dollar. Picture stabilizer is incredible. Just as a comparison, so you've got both cameras now, yeah? So when I walk around like this, you can see the Canon picture is very smooth. It doesn't shake very much, while the other one from the GoPro is a little bit more shaky. So that's why I like this camera, because you can just move around and the picture is butter smooth. This is usually my main camera when I'm not in the car. My second camera is this little cubicle GoPro Session camera. It's about 2.5 centimeters on each side. 1080p, full HD, 60 frames per second. Camera has only one button. You turn it on, it records. This is my main camera I'm using inside the car. This camera costs about 240 Australian dollars. And of course this camera is 100% waterproof. And you have seen me taking it into the pool and on the beach. Everywhere. Wherever I go, I've got this camera with me. And my third camera is the Extreme X Action Cam in a waterproof case. This one is 1080p, full HD as well, but records only 30 frames per second. The audio quality on this device is terrible. So I'm using this solely for video purposes and filming out of the front of the car. Okay, so I'll put it this will be a one-off sticky thing now. I should use both hands, but I need to hold the camera as well. I'm doing this for you guys so you can see my cockpit and know what I'm talking about. Oh shit. Oh, this is solid. This is like one piece now. And sometimes I use my mobile phone as well, which is a Google Nexus 5. This is the first generation. Of course, it carries my PHEV Watchdog and the screen recording software to record all these numbers and figures on the screen. An egg timer thingy for cameras for slow turning time lapses. Floaty devices for the GoPro. A range of suction holders. Multiple GoPro mounts. 2 GorillaPod minis, which look like a sex toy.
It's so good.
It looks like a sex toy, but it's not.
It does!
Yeah. A head mount for the GoPro. Just don't show this to anyone. This looks so ridiculous. Don't make this video public. So if we in a further video replace the actual fog lights with daylight running lights, yeah, that's a good project. You can see both hands, so I can just work normally on the car like this, yeah, and you can see everything I'm basically seeing, yeah, when I turn my head around. So it's not a bad perspective. Yeah, this is just clips, plastic clips shit. Cheap Japanese cars. So this is not a bad perspective actually, but it looks really ridiculous. I mean, you can't. You would never. So, and then I'm using this really cheap tripod here from eBay for $29. Full aluminium, and you can extend it to a height of 160 centimeters. And I'm editing all this crappy footage together on my 5-year-old computer, which runs a super old version of Sony Vegas Thanks for watching, guys. I told you it will be a short video. You stay charged. This is Andy from Unplugged EV Australia, signing off. Shit, I can't get this fucking... Oh. It's all wet now. All this shit is wet. The dog? The dog was under the car and I poured all the water.